Hey guys, it's Angel today. I'm with Janelle, and you can follow her at
Janet Laura.
yeah, yeah. And well, you already follow me. Okay. So anyway, we're making slime, and it's 3 a.m. But I'm using my phone to record, so I can't really show you. So, but
There's the glue.
There's a bunch of glue,
And then there's the gold glitter glue.
and then some silver. Wait,
And
wasn't there
some
silver?
Saline solution.
Was there silver?
And silver.
That's we stop.
And silver. That was
Coffee bit, pancake, come on.
Okay.
so.
So, Janelle, you can start already.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back. I want to use silver and gold. Can I do that? I'll use silver and gold. So first I'm gonna do silver. There's barely any silver. There's like barely any silver and gold left.
It takes forever to go down. Oh, it's there.
But is this the only glue you bought?
No, I still got this one.
Didn't you bring like a purple or pink one or blue, whatever it was?
It was paint.
Oh. I think I want to paint my slime.
There we go. Now it's gonna be glittery. It's more glitter. Okay. Now some gold glitter. Okay, that's enough. I added way too much glitter.
Okay.
Anyway.
There's the glue. Where's the lotion? I'm gonna have some lotion.
Hey, make sure y'all pick up your list outside.
Okay.
Your grandma said in the morning. She said in the morning. I'm adding more.
Where's all the other glitters? Just want to glitter
I
somewhere.
have some glitters in my. I have silver, purple, and mix up and gold.
I think I want to use a mix up. I think make it like a deep sea. Well, like just bring everything here so you can start
So
going back and
here's
forth.
light blue.
Just light blue.
A light blue. And here is dark blue.
I think we need the light blue. Light blue is better.
Okay, so I'm going to use dark.
Oh, that's a lot of glue.
Okay, there we go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're filming a video.
You know, you're recording a video?
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's time to mix.
Mine looks pretty. So you guys don't know about Janelle. Janelle always adds too much glue. Too much paint.
Sometimes, not all the time.
Most of the time.
Mine is turning green just because of the gold.
Oh my god. Look at mine. Mine's like a
But it
blue.
looks pretty though. Look at that. Look at mine.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, I almost dropped
Look at
some.
mine.
You guys still recording?
Yeah. And it's Alyssa.
So Alyssa, the one that's sick.
Yeah.
Where's the next glitter?
It's Alyssa from the makeup challenge.
They can barely even see me.
Oh my gosh. That's my water. Oh, there's another thing.
On the side. Come here, play the tornado. Hey guys, you know you used to be my best friend until online. Oh, you need to be my best friend. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, glitters.
Then some more. I got some more out of the bag. Look how pretty this is. Look.
I feel like this is already turned into slime, but I'm like overusing plates. Doughy.
Oh, it's a lot.
It's mixed up. Okay, there we go. So now I'm gonna add some blue.
Just photobombing it.
Hello.
You're photobombing everything.
I can't even do anything.
She's a video bomber.
Hello.
Aw, you thought the sequence.
Oh, I see some.
I still have some here. I have gold. I mean, blue, red, silver, purple,
We have
orange,
a bomber.
green, and,
Right.
and black.
I won't judge how who's slimy better.
She has a Ouija board.
Wait, can I use the rest? Can I use the rest of the
People do
silver?
not need to know that.
Sure.
People do
Thank
not
you,
need
Janelle.
to know the blankets.
Oh, Jim. Ah.
Here we go. The toddler to do this.
Oh my
Mine's
god.
gonna be a jumbo slime, but who cares?
Oh my god.
I love jumbo slimes.
Me too. Me-
I love slime, but I never made it. It's so cool. It's on Gertie and Thermite. Gertie and Thermite, first fashion favorites.
That's a little silver.
Okay. Is there anything else in here?
Oh my god. That makes it so I make.
Oh, you took all my stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you that.
I told them to do it.
So, oh my god. No,
Wait, I forgot. I have glitters. Apes.
I have those over here
I
too.
have them in here.
I have them over here too.
I have two in here, I think. Okay. We're blues.
Oh my god.
I didn't bring the green one because I didn't want to. And I also didn't want to bring the green paint either. I didn't want to bring it because I'm like, I won't make any green slime at Angel's house. I mean, like, really Angel's house, but it's actually like Monica's house.
My grandma's. My. It's like a trying to slime, but it's not.
Yeah, because it's weird because you're doing it on a plate.
No, even if I do it in a bowl, it looks like it's going together, but really it's not. I need some
I
light.
feel like there's like air bubbles coming up to my slime.
Oh, that's all.
I need this blue. It is a beautiful blue.
I think I need a little more paint. Oh. Wait, have you ever used food dye? Have you tried of using food dye?
I used it.
I haven't realized I'm blocking Alyssa.
Or I will be the judge. And nobody needs to know about the blanket.
Oh no.
No,
That's a lot of glitter. We're adding a ton of glitter.
How about... You could still see my face. Oh no.
glitter fixes everything. Got an idea. Problem solved.
Okay then.
All I have to do is just put glitter on the Ouija board, blanket, and
Do
everything will
not
be
tell
good.
them what blanket to
And I added way too much paint.
Okay, so...
They should have more blue. Oh.
It's not even looking like...
Angel, a big gallon of, like, not like this kind of glue, but like a gallon. It's like $13 at Walmart.
I know. I
My
want the
mom
color.
was like, the clear glue, the clear glue one is like $19.
I want the colored Nickelodeon one. I want. I don't
You
know
have
what
to
to
use a ton of activator for that one.
Yeah. I want to use borax.
It's going crazy here.
I want. I like using glitter.
Call me when you're done.
Okay.
Never.
I need more glitter. I think I want some like silver. Oh, I already have silver and I already have some more. Got some more of this. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's pretty.
No, look how much I added.
Yeah, I added a lot.
Oh my god.
Angel. I just made that myself.
What? This. I'm trying
Yeah.
to put some of this back. Look how much I used. I'm trying to put like very little.
I don't really care how much I use anyway.
You're just gonna make more of this?
Maybe.
Yes, some left now. Now my hands are
Who
all
cares?
dirty.
Who doesn't? No one needs the lid. Okay, there. No more lid. It's better without the lid. It's easier to take the lotion out and inside your slime when it's supposed to be on your legs and your hands.
And other things.
My mom, she got Dana this cream that takes her hair off without shaving.
Yeah.
There's a girl, she's my cousin, or my second cousin, and she has hair like a man. Like her legs are man hair legs. Man legs. Now let's add some contact if it would work.
I wonder if it will work.
That would be crazy.
New slime.
With no baking soda. Is it turning into slime?
Nope.
I didn't add that much. Because it's hard to see in the dark. What are you doing, Stormy? Stormy just put her head through a chair. It's not turning into slime. Okay, that's what I forgot, baking soda. Until my baking soda fell all over my bathroom.
Oh, there's still a lot of contact solution.
Yeah, because I just got it last time.
Why is mine going together?
Because I didn't add a
No,
lot.
look at this.
I'm adding some Tide only. A little bit of it.
No, mine's always starting to activate slowly.
What if contact lens solution and Tide work together and it makes it very stretchy? It's turning into slime! You can see a ball of slime right there. And you can smell it. Just kidding, I won't do it. Okay, just... When I would make slime with my sister, we were making slime with contact lens solution. And they would squirt it and it would go everywhere. Like, she would squirt it like this and why did I put my hand in?
Pikachu's on.
Yes.
I wouldn't play Roblox if I were you.
That's the girl she got on and she's a hack.
What happened to the lid? It just flew.
Okay, it's not that wet, but what is even in this thing?
It's Tide. Duh. I need Tide.
Where's your Tide?
Thanks.
That's what I need to do right now. So it's-
Oh my god, that does not look good at all.
I need my one. It's still really sticky.
Well, you like next time too?
Okay. I guess we still have any glitter.
You don't need glitter if you want.
I'm going glitter though.
Couldn't
Okay,
we
well, then you
do
could use the
it?
glitter. I don't need a glitter.
It's probably easier on a plate.
Yeah, probably easier.
It's probably
But you're able to see everything.
Yeah, but then again, the bowl is kind of better.
Because
Yeah.
it's like more round and it keeps everything in.
Yeah, and that,
Won't.
This will just like flop everywhere.
look at that, look at that.
Oh yeah, I already made a mess.
She already made a mess. And
No,
I did
look
too.
at this. This doesn't even look like, oh my god.
Stormy. Stormy just put her head in the chair, but at least
Yes, come back. No.
remember she's shy.
She's not shy, she just doesn't like people.
She's shy. She loves me though.
Yeah, she loves you. She's just like, I love you.
She doesn't like people.
She loves me though.
She
Look, a little bit of my slime is done.
She
Just
loves
a
I
little
really
bit.
need it.
There's Tide all over my fingers.
Look at this.
Look at this. This is my slime. It's
This is mine. Mine is
barely.
kind of like stringy still.
Oops, I forgot there was Tide on the floor because I accidentally spilled.
Oh my god.
Remember, mess, clean it up. Monica said, her rules, her house. Then again, I wish we went back to your house.
Yeah. She crying. Okay.
Yes,
We've been making slime for 14 minutes. One slime in 14 minutes.
You guys
Wow.
did a bad job on that song.
Well, you did too. or a party.
Yeah, but that took long. Mine was easy to make.
So we added a lot of glitter.
Because we add a lot of glitter. Hi, Stormy.
We didn't make a simple slime.
She's stuck up there.
When she jumps off.
She's a doozle. She's a foosball.
Get over here.
So nothing's happening. So it turns out 3 a.m. is fake.
I'm still trying to catch the cat.
Oh my god.
Well, actually, something did happen.
What?
Pikachu got online.
Pikachu glitter.
So that's one spooky thing we need to worry about.
I gotta get all the glitter off the
She
floor.
hates us. Hates us.
Hates me. Today I disqualified her.
From a game of Survivor, and she got all mad. She's like, I hate you.
She did that to me, not to you.
Oh, I'm like, who is
Because-
that? I'm like, oh, it's just Monica.
Imagine it's Pikachu. Can I go?
No.
Not until I'm done.
My saloon is not ready yet.
I mean hers.
Okay, perfect.
I
Oh,
mean,
yeah.
this is looking good, dude.
Oh my gosh, my slime is so cold.
Those lines.
Then again, there's a fan back on. There's a fan
You
too.
want me to turn it off?
You
Or,
can turn it off with those. You just had to turn everything off.
oh my god.
My gosh,
If only you had the potato masher. I actually
she
do have-
does.
With her.
Oh,
Oh,
so
poke.
pretty.
Oh my gosh, Angel, look at all that glitter.
Poke.
Look, look. Look, you see that one? Look at this. Look.
Hey, I'll be Tracer. I'm already Tracer. Well, at least we still have glitter. Look. You got silver, you got purple, you
On sequence.
Purple is mine. That's all. Those are
have
all
like
mine.
a tiny bit of glue.
Oh yeah, I use I used a lot of that. Oh,
You have gold, you have this red thing.
Sequins.
I don't care.
Okay,
I don't care what it's called, to be honest. Not in a mean way, I just don't care.
of course.
You guys did an amazing job on those.
mine's thick. Look.
I don't even know who's to pick. Like, you both did amazing.
Bubble.
And to be fair, we both make kind of like slime like mostly every day.
Yeah.
I need a...
Because my parents will get mad at me. They're like, Janelle, more slime.
I have my own room for slime.
Dang it, I should have brought my baking soda.
Yeah,
Me
you
too.
should have because
I
I
have-
forgot my.
You
my
should have
baking
told me. You should have told me that you were going to make slime.
I have a box of baking soda at my house and I forgot it.
Because
soda. Well, yeah, because you're not at your house.
I had a tube.
when I went.
I had a tube.
I have my own slime
I gotta get
room
more
too.
glitter.
Guess what my slime room is?
What up?
Your room?
My bathroom.
Oh yeah, yeah.
My slime room, well, it's going to be my closet. Look, it's an Ouija board.
So Ouija.
A Ouija board.
The Ouija board.
It's a Luigi board?
It's a Luigi.
Luigi.
Why does nobody ever pay attention to Luigi?
It's Mario. Well, everybody pays attention to Mario, but not Luigi.
Luigi's nice. He's cool. Come. Wait.
No. Don't play coy with me. I'm not playing coy.
It's a Luigi board.
Angel, when someone blames you, I didn't do it. Okay, there, I didn't do it. There, I told you I didn't do it.
Okay, may I poke?
Hold on, I still need to make my little paper.
Oh my god. They are the Tracer. Help.
For some reason,
Elena
it's
thinks that I'm at my house, but I'm at yours. And actually,
Hey, at least we don't need to do that.
they would have messed up a lot.
And we could watch our own show.
yeah.
Let me go get the remote.
Yeah, so
I don't know
we were
how,
watching
but the
TV
TV
right
just
there,
turned
like
off.
right here. It's because the TV was over, no one messed with it, so it just turned off.
You want to know what's funny? I said to watch the video and she's like, oh, they're going to watch a movie. And I...
And she doesn't even know how. She knows how we use the channel, but she doesn't know what it is. Oh, okay.
I just got those.
Problema. You need to calm down.
It's her guard dog.
You need to calm down. You need to be a good dog.
You'll see my hair in the morning. It'll be flawless. Just because of the brain.
Or you want to go back with ISIS? Okay.
Looking party them too.
Last time me and Dana, we made slime at 3 a.m. too at our house, and nothing happened.
And you filmed a video about it.
We did.
Hey, something happened to us though. Pikachu.
Nothing really happened to us.
Wait, I want to see what certain game she's playing though.
Mm.
The Fit Survivor.
Hopefully she wins or else she will have
I'm gonna
to.
text her. I'm gonna say hi.
What?
Hi, I'm gonna play Survivor with a member. And we were playing so. Okay.
Okay.
But okay, hi. We're dead, Angel. We're dead. We're getting hacked.
Yeah.
I just made a bubble.
Can I poke? No? Okay.
How come you can't just make your own?
Well, I'm the judge.
She is. Do not take that to the judge.
Or you'll get it instant.
Oh my god.
You add a lot, Angel.
It slipped, okay? I try not to add a whole
I
lot.
have a
You're
feeling that was.
crazy, though.
Okay, good. It wasn't the other bloom where it already ran out.
Nah, I'm not touching.
Only what Angel, when she in school, the only thing that she would wear is chongos.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I never have my hair down.
And
Like,
she
I
had
love
like
having my hair
whatever
down.
she wants, and then she has like a uniform skirt with leggings, and then shoes, and then a jacket
and
outside.
I always have whatever I want on. Only got caught by the principal once.
An email.
My teachers never seem to care. PE teachers never
What
care.
you doing?
Wait, don't leave it.
It's just, it's a brand new plate anyway.
I didn't know.
I thought it was the plate with ink. Wait,
I think I told
so you think that your grandma's drunk?
she is.
She is?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's stormy.
Hey, Stormy, wait, let's get the light so we can shine it on her. Because she's the brightest star in here. It's Stormy, rise! Poopy Stormy. Okay, now let me turn this on.
Stormy is just a cat.
Yeah, Stormy's a cute.
Just a cat.
She's a cute cat.
She's a cute little kitty cat.
That is better than the dogs.
Yeah, the dogs barked at us.
Not mine.
For no reason.
Well, Brownie's cute. Brownie's awesome.
Brownie is.
Dusty's a little bit violent
Well-
with new people.
Isn't Dusty like a boy?
Dusty's a boy, so you can understand that. No, stop.
She likes to go in this couch
Yeah,
that
and
me and
there's,
Angel are gonna sleep in.
and there's spiders in there, so we don't want the poor little kitty cat to die.
But she wants to eat them.
Don't eat the spiders. You don't know what kind of Spider-Man powers they have.
Spider-Man powers.
Spider cat, spider cat. Oh,
You know, you're done?
for spider cat. What?
Nope.
You guys
I
done?
just need to take
Me and
this.
Stormy are the
Oh.
judges. Me and Stormy are the judges.
Stormy doesn't know what slime is.
Yeah, she. Stormy, cover your ears. How dare you insult this fluff ball? How dare you? Look, now she's sad. Look,
She's not sad.
she's sad.
She's not. If she was sad, she'll be like Mavis when she was a bat. And hold her hands over here.
sad. Oh, look, she doesn't even want to talk to anybody.
Like you.
Look. Look, she doesn't even want to talk to Angel. Angel, talk to Angel. Talk to Angel. Talk to this girl. I forgot your name.
Janelle.
Janelle. Talk to Janelle.
There, she talked to me.
She
told
put her
me.
paw on you.
That means she talked to me.
No, she needs to
Talking
talk.
to me.
She did it to me then she's talking to me then. You know special.
Oh, Brownie. I was like this, and then Brownie
Yeah,
just
she licked-
licked me on my lips.
Oh, that's how you, when you try to kiss her, she'll lick you back.
Yeah, she'll lick you. She'll kiss you back.
No, Stormy, calm down, buddy. You need to trust the
I
slide.
like. Okay, mine's good. I'm ready.
Okay, Stormy, you ready to go? You ready to taste test? I mean,
Taste.
you ready to feel that?
You are crazy about saying taste. You could die. You're bad influence on her.
I'm sorry, Stormy. I didn't mean for you to taste that. Oh, she's dabbing. Oh, no, never mind. She was like this. Oh, okay.
Alright, so do Janelle's first.
Okay,
No,
calm.
Angels.
Janelle.
Mine is all over me.
Okay, okay.
She's my house today.
Okay, let's go. You can be free. Stormy free.
You can pick whichever one you want to go with. Okay. So here,
It's yours. Okay, perfect.
so here's slime.
Oh, that is super.
No, listen, it's because your hands are hot.
My hands are very, very cold. Look, my hands are cold.
So here, hold the camera right.
Whoa, whoa, not on my legs. Whoa, whoa.
What? I made a slumber ball. Good crunchies.
Click.
Look at that.
Watching out for a bump.
Okay, now, we should.
It got on my foot.
Here.
My slime got on my toe. My toe. My toe.
You could do it better. Why is my camera glitching?
Pikachu.
Stop. You're gonna mess up my slime. My hands are so warm.
How do I make them cold?
You don't. You have to get used to slime and feel my hands. Mess up my slime.
I need to get used to slime.
Comment down below if you have any friends that don't know how to play with slime.
Hey, I know how to play with slime. It's just my hands.
I
are
know.
hot.
Lisa. There.
I did it!
My sister, she can only do it like this. Like when she has it right here, she do it like this. I did it, but I'll do
Now there's slime in my hair.
same thing. Remember you had ink in your hair and you panicked.
Wait, let me check on the plate.
Oh, it's so big. Just to let you know.
Like, I don't know what we're saying. It's like we had a glow stick for my birthday
That
party
was spilling.
that it broke. So now we were just playing with the ink, and then now it started.
This is what the glow stick did to the plate. The bro.
Wow. The plate's like, how dare you do that to me? I was a beautiful plate until the ink destroyed me.
Like, comment down below what grade you guys are going to. Me and Janelle are going to 5th, and she's going to 7th.
Yeah, I still don't.
Oh my gosh,
Wanna
I
go.
always put my foot in my slime.
Oh my god. So whose slime did you like better?
It's hard.
Why?
I don't know. Just felt easier to poke without it
I
getting
put a
sticky
ton
on
of
me.
sequins. Look, you can feel the sun. Look, trade. We're trading,
Okay.
Angel.
The what? Yeah, Ice has it.
I just has it.
Why is this one
I have
so
a Ouija
cool?
board.
Look at this one.
This
What?
is so much more thicker.
I also have a Ouija board. The Ouija board.
Jake Paul, all he does is just buy a Ouija board, then buy a new one. Like he throws it in the trash and then he buys another one. And he did it in a haunted pool, and like on camera you can see the actual ghost. Cause like some person killed a ton of people there, and there was girls that drowned in a pool.
Well, maybe it's not true. Maybe it is.
Oh!
There was a security guard that told them that.
Well, maybe they told the security guard to say that. Don't know. Don't know.
I feel like I'm marrying
Are
Izzy
you
now.
guys-
I'm like following their steps of slime.
Oh wow,
What?
that's slime girl. Is that her slime girl?
No.
We switched.
Yeah.
Angel, you're slime.
I tell you, mine's more stretchy, but
Well, because there's a
doesn't-
ton of hairs in it.
Hers doesn't stick to me though.
because hers is thick.
Colder.
Yes. And your hands are like warm.
Yes.
That's Dana and my dad and my parents. My parents, Dana, their hands are so warm that my slime gets stuck to them. Okay, so we're done now with the video.
Yeah. Okay, so comment down below whose slime you like better. This is mine. She made it really, really hard.
And then here's mine. We should have more lighting. We should have done it in the kitchen.
So peace out. Bye.